Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have done the classification of solution on the basis of particle size. That is, true solution, colloidal, and suspension. Now, in this lecture, we will do solutions in detail. Now, students, what do you mean by solutions? Solutions are actually true solutions in which the particle size is very small. Also, solutions are homogeneous mixtures of two or more substances. The two components of a solution are solute and solvent. The component of solution which is dissolved in other component is called solute, and the component of solution in which other component is dissolved is called solvent. For example, in sugar syrup, sugar is what you dissolve, so it is the solute, and water in which you dissolve the sugar, so it is solvent. Based on components, solutions are of following types. Students, in this I have tried to cover almost all types of solutions. The first is aqueous solutions. Now, aqueous word stands for water. So the solutions in which water acts as solvent are called aqueous solutions. Non-aqueous solutions, the solutions in which solvent other than water is used. Like if you make any solution, suppose in alcohol, in benzene, so all these are known as non-aqueous solutions. Third is solutions of two liquids. Like if you mix two liquids. Now when we mix two miscible liquids, it is called normal solution. And when we mix two immiscible liquids, it is called emulsion. Okay, like if you mix oil and water, both of them can't mix with each other. So these type of liquids are called immiscible liquids. In that case, the solution is known as emulsions. Then solutions of two solids. Now solution, it can't be of only when you have something liquid. Solution can be of two solids also. When we mix two solids, they also form solutions. These solutions are mainly of two types, alloys and interstitials. Now what are alloys and what are interstitials? See, if the size of two combining solids are same, then alloys are formed. Like I am having two solids, one is this and one is this. Size of both the solids is also almost same. So in that case, the solution formed is known as alloys. Now if there is size difference between combining solids, then smaller one go inside the interstitial spaces of bigger one, and in this case the solution formed is known as interstitial solution. See, this is the bigger one and the smaller one goes into the interstitial spaces. The spaces which are left in this type of arrangement, this space, this is known as interstitial space. And if you mix two solids and one moves into the interstitial space of other, then it is known as interstitial solid. Next is concentrated solution. Now the solutions in which solute is present in more amount, then that solution is known as concentrated solution. And if in a solution solute is present in smaller amount and solvent is present in larger amount, then those solutions are known as dilute solutions. Then we have another type of solution, that is saturated solution. Now students, when you dissolve some solute in a solvent, of course at a particular temperature, then a definite amount of solute can get dissolved. After some time, you will not be able to dissolve more solute in the solvent. Now this point, when no more solute can get dissolved in the solvent at a particular temperature, the solution is known as saturated solution. Now if you are having a solution which contains more amount of solute than required to prepare a saturated solution at a particular temperature, then that solution is known as a supersaturated solution. So there is a very little difference between saturated solution and supersaturated solution. In saturated solution, no more amount of solute can be added, and supersaturated contains more amount of solute as required for saturated. So these are the all type of solutions which we have. And this finishes with today's lecture also. Go through the video properly and try to solve the following worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.